Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install AutoCAD on Windows in 2026. Whether you're installing it for the first time or reinstalling the software, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and visit the official Autodesk website. Sign in with your Autodesk account, then navigate to the AutoCAD download page. Choose the Windows version and click the download button. Next, wait for the installer to finish downloading. Once it's complete, locate the setup file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to launch the installation. Now, if Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes to continue. The Autodesk installer will open automatically and begin preparing the installation files. Next, review and accept the license agreement, then choose the installation location if you want to change it. Otherwise, keep the default folder and click Install to begin. The installation may take several minutes depending on your computer's performance. During this time, avoid closing the installer or restarting your computer. Once the installation is complete, click Finish and launch AutoCAD from your desktop or Start menu. Sign in with your Autodesk account to activate the software if prompted. Finally, check for available updates before starting your first project to make sure you're using the latest version. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to install AutoCAD on Windows step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install AutoCAD on Windows.